Chapter 4, Clinical Data Management. Database Validation. Database validation in clinical data management is the documented process of checking that the clinical study database works correctly, accurately, and consistently before it is used for collecting and managing clinical trial data. It ensures that the database follows the study protocol, regulatory requirements, and user requirements. Objectives of database validation: ensure accurate data collection, confirm all database functions work as intended, prevent data entry errors, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, protect data integrity and participant safety. Steps in database validation. 1. Review study requirements. Review the study protocol. Understand the study design and objectives. Identify all required data fields and validation rules. 2. Validate electronic case report form design. Verify that all electronic case report form pages are present. Check field names, labels, and data formats. Ensure mandatory fields are correctly configured. 3. Validate data validation rules. Examples include: age cannot be negative, visit date cannot be before the informed consent date, weight must be within the allowed range, male participants cannot have pregnancy-related data. 4. Test automatic calculations. Verify automatic calculations such as body mass index, dose calculations, laboratory result conversions, total questionnaire scores. 5. Validate visit schedule. Ensure correct visit sequence, correct visit time windows, proper handling of unscheduled visits. 6. Test data entry. Enter valid data, enter invalid data. Confirm that the database accepts correct data and rejects incorrect data. 7. Validate query management. Confirm that data queries are generated correctly. Queries can be answered and closed. Query history is maintained. 8. Validate user access. Check permissions for data entry personnel, clinical data managers, clinical research monitors, investigators, database administrators. 9. Validate audit trail. Ensure the system records who changed the data, what data were changed, when the change occurred, the reason for the change, when required. 10. Perform user acceptance testing. End users test the database using realistic study scenarios to confirm that it meets study and business requirements. 11. Resolve issues. Document all problems. Correct database configuration or programming errors. Repeat testing until all problems are resolved. 12. Final approval. After successful testing, prepare the database validation report. Obtain approval from the study team. Release the database for use in the clinical study. Documents used during database validation: study protocol, data management plan, database specification, electronic case report form specification, data validation rule specification, test scripts, test results, issue log, database validation summary report, database release approval, types of testing: individual component testing, complete system testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing, repeat testing after changes, performance testing. Importance of database validation: ensures high-quality clinical trial data, reduces data entry errors, improves data accuracy and reliability, supports compliance with regulatory requirements, enables successful database lock and statistical analysis, helps protect participant safety and ensures trustworthy study results. Database validation is a critical quality activity in clinical data management because it confirms that the clinical study database is accurate, reliable, secure, and ready for use before participant data collection begins. Like, share, subscribe, and follow BioEnigma x Jivesh for more informative videos.